Service goes to Monu Singh, score 4-3. Monu Singh score 4, Raigada score 3. What a game. This is afternoon match. Second match, Monu Singh versus Raigadas. Score 4-3. Score 4-3. Monu Singh score 4. Raigada score 3. Game is running. What a match. Monu Singh versus Raigada's match. Second match. Home grounds from Monu Singh. Big match, big game. Timing. Shots, good takens. Two team players playing as well. Whoa. Right, service goes to Monu Singh, score 5-3. Monu Singh score 5, Raigada score 3. What a game. This is afternoon match, second match, Monu Singh versus Raigadas. Good shot, good taken. Yes, what a game. This afternoon, home ground from Monu Singh. Score 5-3. Monu Singh score 5. Raigada score 3. Yes. What a shot. Yes, game is running. Very interesting match. Afternoon match, Monu Singh versus Raigadas. Score is 5-3. Service goes to Raigada, score 3-5. Score 3-5, Raigada score 3. Monu Singh score 5. This is Daba volleyball from Monu Singh home grounds. This is famous game from Orissa State. This is big game from Monu Singh grounds. Raigada versus Monu Singh match, Mohan versus Cecil. Score 5-3. Monu Singh score 5. Raigada score 3. Game is running. What a match this afternoon. Two team players playing as well. Wow, what a shots, what a takens. This is game from Monu Singh grounds. What a game, what a playing players, two team players, Rayagada Munu Singh players. All players playing as well. But we match who is won, who is lost this match. Please see and wait. Munu Singh scored 5, Rayagada scored 3. Yeah. Service goes to Rayagada player Sudhir, score 4-5. Rayagada score 4, Munu Singh score 5. What a match this afternoon. This is second match, Munu Singh versus Rayagada. Good shot. Weather is good, ground is good, match is very interesting. Score is 4-5, Rayagada scored 4 and Munu Singh scored 5. What a match. This is Daba volleyball from Munu Singh home grounds. Yes, what a taken, what a taken. This is the game. What a wonderful match. Very interesting match. Good shots. Good place. Good timing. This afternoon match, Rayagada versus Munu Singh. Whoa. Right, service goes to Rayagada, score 5 equal, 5 saman, 5 all. Munu Singh score 5. What a match. Two teams win the chance, 50-50. But who is win, who is lost? Wait and see this match. Rayagada versus Munu Singh. Munu Singh home grounds. This is second match, afternoon match. Score 5 equal. Good shot. Good taken. Yes. Service goes to Rayagada, score 6-5. Players are changes. 6-5. Rayagada score 6. Munu Singh score 5. What a changing, what a raging by Rayagada players. This is the volleyball from Munu Singh home grounds. Good shot. What a playing players. Yes. Good shot. Score 6-5. Match is running. This is afternoon match, second match. Rayagada versus Munu Singh. What a shot by Banu. Yes. Match running very interesting. Service goes to Rayagada, score 7-5. Score 7-5. What a match this afternoon. This is second match. This goes to Monu Singh, score 5-7. Monu Singh score 5. Raigada score 7. Court change. What a shot. Service goes to Raigada, score 7-5. Raigada score 7. Monu Singh score 5. Service goes to Raigada, score 8-5. Raigada score 8. Monu Singh score 5. What a match. What a playing players. Raigada players. Monu Singh players. Yeah. Yeah, service goes to Raigada, score 9-5. What a raging by Raigada players. What a match this afternoon. Second match, Raigada versus Monu Singh. Home grounds from Monu Singh. Score 9-5. Yes, Mohan versus Cecil. Raigada versus Monu Singh. This is second match, afternoon match. Score 9-5. Good game. All players playing well. Yes, what a shot by Mohan. Score. Raigada score 9. Monu Singh score 5. This is Daba volleyball from Monu Singh grounds. Yes. What a game. What a shot. What a racing by Banu. He is the attacking player. An impact player. Raigada big player Banu. Yeah. Right, final ball, last ball, game ball. And the chance Raigada. Game and 5. What a match. What a racing by Raigada players. This is second match from Monu Singh grounds. Wow. What a winning shot by Banu. Finally win by Raigada team. Yes, he is the impact player by Banu.